Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix crashing in Delta Force. So first, go to your Steam and go to library. Then look for the Delta Force. I don't have Delta Force, so for example, this is the Delta Force. Right click on it and go to properties. And then go to installed files. After that, verify integrity of game files. Just wait for it to be finished and it will fix the problem. But if didn't work, click on browse here and then copy this link. Control C. And then click on X. Now on your search bar, search for graphics settings. And here click on browse. Click on the link at the top and then paste the one that you copied and hit on enter. Now click on the Delta Force launcher and then click on add. After you added, click on options and press the high performance and then click on save, and that should fix your problem. And that's basically it.